today I'm going to play with my Anna doll. And this is Elsa and Olaf. I kind of already bought this and I didn't make a video of this, so I'm making an Anna video. So this time Anna has a pink lipstick and she has lots of dresses she has. And look at her lipstick, it's so cool. That's Crystal. And do you know, and it says Frozen down here. In the back side, you can see Anna. And look at all the spoons and stuff and cups. And there's also a plate. She has shoes.
That's not Kristoff.
I mean, Span. Silly me. I says, what is this again, guys? Swan. Span, Swan. They rhyme. So, this is the tag and the purple. I already opened Elsa, my new doll, and this time this is a clean new doll too. And they're both sisters. Do you keep watching them? But if you don't know the characters, you have to tell me and I'll tell you guys tomorrow or today. Make your videos come true. So,
can you show Elsa?
And let's put Anna safety down, then we can I couldn't see myself. So this is Elsa and Olaf. Look at him. He has an orange nose and buttons. These buttons are these are actually stones. If you want to draw Olaf, comments down below. So, I'm in my garden doing the video and all the plants. And look at this. It has some sticks on his head. And
let's open.
And let's open Anna. Let's put these. You guys hold it for once. You go. I'll put Olaf down over there, and he'll be safe. And tell me if he's getting wet. And now, time to open Anna. My mom is gonna help me, but today my daddy's gonna help me. But my grandma, Mama is gonna help. Mama, let's call her. Mama, come here, please. Help me. And she's coming on the way. Time for the finish touch. This is Anna. Check her out. These are her shoes underneath, and these are her spot and hair. And this is Crystal. Can you guys pass me the scissors? Thank you. Time to cut the tag. Be careful, don't cut it.
Shall I help you?
No, guys, I'm fine. I just need to put this. Time to open spin. Here he is. Time to take her out. Funny. We have to take her out. Oh, sorry. Oh, he's trying to look.
Can you hold that thread?
And it's time to cut her. Time to cut her neck. Time to take her out. Take her out. I see the problem.
Her hand.
The hand. The hand that's
now she comes up.
Forgot another hand. We forgot another hand. There you go. Gotta cut it. take it off.
Can you show Anna once?
I'm not done. Not done. I'm getting crystal. So these are the humans. Dun, dun, dun. Anna put her in the back. I don't want to take her. Look at her. She's so adorable. Do you like her color? It looks the same.